The Indian government has pledged to invest about $30 billion in Nigeria as part of efforts to deepen trade relations between both countries. The Foreign Minister of India, while speaking during an Nigeria Business Council meeting in the nation's capital, Abuja, says that India is committed to investing more in the country to improve trade between both nations, which now stands at about $13 to $15 billion. Marvelous Obomanu reports.
India is the fourth largest economy in the world and is projected to be the fastest growing emerging market with a gross domestic product of $3.4 trillion, driven primarily by its service, industrial and agricultural sectors. Some economists believe India will be the third largest economy in the world by 2030. With an export of about $766 billion in 2023, India is regarded as a global emerging economic power. Within the last few years, the balance of trade between India and Nigeria has significantly improved and is now manifest with several Indian-run businesses visibly seen in the country. With $13 to $15 billion worth of trade annually, and a commitment to invest about $13 billion in Nigeria, India has shown a willingness to deepen its trade relations with Nigeria, and it is time for a serious conversation on how Nigerian businesses can invest in this opportunity.
India's exports in the year that has just been completed was $766 billion. And I'd surely like, and I'm sure you would surely like, a larger part of that share to come to Nigeria.
For the balance of trade 2022 between India and Nigeria was $14.95 billion, 2022. This is an improvement from what we saw in 2021 at 8.81 and the year before at $11.8 billion. It's a significant improvement in our trade relationships.
This gathering comprises of active players in Nigeria and Indian business communities, seeking to leverage on existing economic relations, including trade, investment, and other sectors of the economy.
The issue that has been hampering the investors coming in is the confidence. But now that the president and this administration is now removing those bottlenecks and they are creating investor confidence.
It's also very important to note that the NACIMA has signed an MOU with the NIBC to further deepen trade and investment opportunities between the two. So by and large, what we should be expecting is an increase of, we'll say an increase in trading, an increase in investment opportunities.
If we are to give this relationship more weight and substance and practicality, we should get beyond the world of protocol and diplomacy. Not look at it in a very narrow sense, but really to get down to business and look at different parts of our economy and of our government and of our policy making and see where is it that we can build.
The government must begin to look at bottlenecks that hamstrings investment in Nigeria and create right policies that will attract foreign investment. In Abuja for News Central, Marvelous Obomanu.